How to fix Instagram Reels lag. Hello everyone. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone. Go directly to apps option. Here, go to search for Instagram. When you find Instagram, guys, you have to click on it. Then you will find this list. Scroll down and click on storage. Here, go to the last button, clear data, and click OK. And then you have to back, click on force stop and click on OK. And what you should do now, guys, you have to go to here, battery, and you click on optimize it. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.